Hello and welcome back to our introduction to Python programming series. In this particular video, I'm going to look at logical operators. So we've already mentioned that operators basically help variables and values perform operations. Okay, so here I'm going to look at the logical operators. So logical operators are used for combining conditional statements. I'm going to look at conditional statements, conditional control structures and everything in detail as we move on. Okay, so the first logical operator I'm looking at is the AND operator. The AND operator basically returns true if both conditions are true and false if one condition, just one, turns out to be false. Okay, so let's look at this critical example here. We have 5 greater than 3 and 10 greater than 5. So here it's true because 5 is greater than 3, right? And then here is true because 10 is greater than 5. So it's going to give us the value true. The moment 5, let's say you have 5 less than 3, it's going to be false because this becomes false. Okay. We have the OR operator, this returns true if at least one condition is true. So 5 greater than 3 is true, 10 less than 5 is false. But because there is a true condition here, it's going to return false. And then we have the NOT. So the NOT operator basically reverses the Boolean result. So if it's true, it turns into false. If it's false, it turns into true. So we have not 5 greater than 3. So under normal circumstance, not 5 greater than 3 is true. But because you are using the NOT operator, it turns out to be false. Okay, so let's get practical with this. To do this, you're going to use the Python mini ID for this. Okay, so first let's look at the AND operator. Okay, so we have 5 greater than 3 and greater than 5. So this gives us true because 5 is greater than 3, which is going to give us true. If we type 5 greater than 3, it returns true, right? And we type 10 greater than 3. 10 greater than 5 also returns true. As such, I'm going to have true here. So meaning that all conditions are true. So it's going to return true. But the moment one condition turns out to be false, it's going to return a false. So let's see. Let's look at one here. 5 greater than 3. It's going to be true, right? And let's say 10 less than 3. This is going to be false because 10 is not less than 3, right? When to do this, it's going to be false because this condition here turns out to be false. And this turns out to be true. But because we are using the AND logical operator, the condition is that almost all the conditions here, okay? Every condition here is supposed to be true. Okay, so that is it for the AND operator. Let's look at the OR operator. For the OR operator, we say that one condition, the moment one condition turns out to be true, is going to return true. Okay, so let's say we have 5 less than 5 greater than 3, and 5 less than 3. Let's see. So this is going to be true. This is going to be false because 5 is not less than 2. Let's execute and see. Sorry, again, a syntax error. Okay, there is an indentation error here. So let me redo this. Indentation error. So 5 less than greater than 3. All right. Okay, so 5 greater than 3. Or let's say 10. Or let me use the same 5 less than 3. What happens? It returns true because this is true. In as much as we have a false here for the OR logical operator, the moment one condition turns out to be true, it's going to return true as the value. Okay, so that is it for the OR operator. Let's look at the NOT operator. With the NOT operator, we are saying that it reverses the Boolean results. As such, if it's true, It's going to tell us it's false. So let's do that. 5 greater than 6. So let's say 5 greater than 3. Yeah, okay, it's true, right? At the moment you do not 5 greater than 3. Yes, it tells us it's false. So for the not operator, it actually returns the false or the negative or reverses the Boolean results that we are supposed to get. Okay, so let's also do this. 5 less than 3 is going to give us false, right? But the moment you are being not 5 less than 3 is going to give us true. It's supposed to be false, but because we have the not logical operator here, it's going to return true. Okay, so that is it for logical operators. Let's look at one last operator, and then we are good to go.